Come follow me to luxury. Gold on the floors.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taneajah. If you already haven't known, I have not done a video like this in a long ass time. The last time I done a video sitting down was a chit chat get ready with me, but this one I haven't done a unboxing of an Influenster package in a long ass time. All my Influencer reviews will be down in the description box below, so check them out. Okay, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that the above. Okay, look, hit the bell to get freaking notified with all my videos. I have, if you are new here, hi, my name is Taneajah Bell. How's it going? How you doing? You know what I'm saying? I do vlogs, I do lifestyle, I do beauty, I do a whole bunch of freaking makeup, I do story times, I do hauls. Did I say that? I think I did. But other than that, if you want to join the family, and get into my vlogs, I'm now in the vlogging stitch right now. But other than that, I do post get ready with me, chit chat get ready with me, hauls, story times here and there, usually around Halloween. But if you guys want to check out everything, all my playlists, like I said, will be in the description box below. Hit that post notification to be notified, but subscribe to the channel, join the family. Okay, I don't say subscribe to my channel that often because at the end of the day, I don't want to pressure nobody, but then I want to pressure somebody. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So, we are about to get into this video. This is an Influencer package. This is a Maybelline, I think it's gold green Influencer unboxing. Box. And I'm excited. I gotta show this way because my edges is in the back. I didn't scratch that shit out. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah. Okay. But we are going to look at this, and then I will throw you guys to the side, and so you guys can see my review. We're just going to do an unboxing of this package before we get into the actual review to get ready with me. You know what I'm saying? So I can look dolled up. I'm a little barefaced right now, like a baby's bottom, but we're gonna get into looking dolled up and shit. I'm still gonna wear the same outfit, but we're gonna look dolled up and shit, but we're gonna do what we gotta do. So we're gonna let's check this out. Let's get started. If you guys have not know, Influenster is basically an app and a website that you can go to. It's basically free of charge. I will definitely link that in the description box below. I've been with Influencer for a while now. I believe I've been with Influencer a little bit over a couple of years now, and I love it. Usually what happens is you go online, you sign up. Usually when you sign up, you basically like I said, it's free of charge. It's free of charge. It's free to sign up. You basically, what happens is you do reviews. So if you have an Anastasia freaking brow wiz and you want to do a review on it, you can do reviews. It basically gives you a whole entire different type of categories that you can click from. And then so many other influencers, people, they will end up coming in and they will end up doing their own reviews on different type of items that they have. I have done reviews on my beauty blenders. I have done reviews on makeup brushes, because some makeup brushes don't really do this job when it comes to applying the face. Okay, but I also have done like reviews on like food, cat items, because I did have 2 cats. They did pass away, so the story time for another different day. And I have done a lot of other reviews, but you go through a lot of categories. You can pick and choose whatever category you want to do, and you just do reviews. You also get badges, which is dope. And then also a couple of how long you've been on it. I will give it take like a couple of days, just getting used to it if you want to try it. And then what happens is Influencer will end up sending you something in the email, which is a survey. A survey basically tells you if you're qualified to get one of these. And I got a couple, you know what I'm saying? I got a little couple. So I was like, oh, I'm feeling good. And then basically it's free items. You get full on stuff. Like we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you what's in this stuff, but you get bulks. Girl, I got a whole bunch of beauty blenders, and I did a whole review on it. I also got some sunscreen. That was my first Vox box that did do it. I also got something else. I forgot what else I got. I got a whole bunch of shit. So at the end of the day, I'm trying to help you guys out. Like I said, Influenster is going to be linked in the description box below. Check it out. Love it. If you are a new YouTuber and you want to do some unboxing and you want to do some Vox boxes, these Vox boxes do come in handy and they're too cute. Look at this. It's nice and cute. And I got this is the black one. I got a pink one. I got an orange one. And I got a green one. So excited. And I got a purple one. You know? So it comes with different type of Vox boxes and you definitely go in. So like I just said, let's get into this video. So it basically comes like this. Comes with cute little, and you know what I'm saying. And so it opens it up like that. So like I said, it shows you in the front like how basically what to do when it comes in. It's also recyclable, so you can also recycle this shit. And this is what's inside, y'all. It's over here about to spill out. Oh my gosh. But we're about to check this out real quick. I'm excited. I'm actually really excited. I'm not faking it for some damn video. I'm just doing what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm excited. So we are going to, I'm gonna put it on my lap. So at first we are going to get into, they always give you a card which tells you in the back of, like, this is basically the back of what is in the box, and then they always give you in front, it tells you like what it is. So basically it says, get started, log into your influencer profile on the app and check out the Maybelline campaign. I'm doing the Maybelline campaign. Test your product. That's what I'm gonna be doing, and once I do this, I'm gonna throw it to y'all and I'm gonna show you guys my review. Follow the instructions on your campaign and leave a review, and then check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure. Influencer. So I got these 3 items that I'm about to show you guys right now. And in the back it says green edition. Minimum of 70% natural or origin ingredients, clean formula, vegan formulas, and packed made with mix of recycled and new materials. So I believe that Maybelline has new materials coming out that's recyclable, that's vegan, that's basically cruelty free. There's no animals being tested on it, and that's basically good, because at the end of the day, we don't need any more animals being tested. Okay, this is their land. We're living on this goddamn land, and I feel as though we should be basically respecting excuse me, my voice is going out because I'm talking too much. Basically going to basically support these animals, because these animals are basically being tested on for some damn products. And we have to be cautious, because sometimes when you basically using some of these products, your face, that's why your face sometimes break out. That's why sometimes you have to go cruelty free, and also get vegan products, because your face legit are basically being tested with you're basically putting fucking makeup on that has been tested on the animal. And we don't know some animals, but some animals have been tested, and we have to be careful. So in the box I got a super drop tinted oil. I did try it on my vlog. That will also be in the description box below. So it says, shake well before use, fresh look, adjustable, natural coverage, formula with jojoba and marula oil, 84% natural origin ingredient, shake well before use, 1 drop for sheer coverage, 3 drops for light coverage, and 5 drops for medium coverage, which is this right here. I used it. So this one right here is the 060 tinted super drop tinted oil. If it can legit give it to me. There we go. We giving it to me. So it comes in this cute little ball. Like I said, it comes in bulk, y'all. I'm not exaggerating. It comes in bulk. I love this item. Let me see if I can. So this is the color. This is like basically what it is. I gotta put some on my face, y'all. So I'm going to leave it on my hand, but it's basically really smooth. It's really oily because it's the oil, of course, but it's really serious about it. So like, I put it on my face. It feels good. It's not like itchy. You know how some foundations, some tinted oils are really fucking itchy. This is not itchy. I love it. So yeah, The next up, we got the, sorry, my freaking camera was full. So my SIM card was full. So we're gonna go to the next item. The next item is Mega Mousse Mascara. Buildable lightweight volume, formulated with shea butter, 99% natural origin ingredients. The tube including excluding wiper, cap, and brush are made with 95% recycled plastic. Let me tell you something right now. The recycled plastic I'm concerned about due to the fact of these caps are really, I don't know, I just feel as though when it comes to something that's plastic, you have to be really careful because a lot of plastic goes into the water and they do hurt and harm animals. So that's the only thing that I am just like, But I have used Maybelline mascara before, but it has hurt in my eyes. And I think that was the Mega Volume mascara, is the purple one, and that really hurt my eyes, my full-on eyelids, and also my freaking eyelashes, and I had to take it off. So now I use basically the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and that basically saves my life. But we're gonna get into it so we can see it. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little plastic package, and I actually love it. You can get into it. It's like for the before and after of it. This is what it's basically looking like. It's green. It's like a cute little bluish green type of one, and it basically it's a Mega Mousse. So we are going to get into it so we can see what it looks like, y'all. Then last but not least, we have the Balmy Lip Blush. The before and after is looking kind of cute, and I'm black, so you know you gotta see what good, you know what I'm saying? So it says juicy lip color provides lasting hydration and blush looking lips. Formulated with mango oil, 93% natural origin ingredients. The cap and base, including inner shell, are made with 95% recycled plastic. So everything's basically recycled, which is really fantastic. We do need to be recycling more. I do know that I recycle a lot. That's just 100% truth. I recycle a lot. I put a lot of things in the recycle bin every single Wednesday, so I can be able to send it. I don't know where the recycle stuff be going, but I just hope and pray it doesn't harm the animals, because I've been seeing a whole bunch of stories of animals getting harmed. Their fins, dolphins' fins be like basically cut off. It's a lot going on. So this is a balmy lip blush that they were saying, and it's so cute. If it can focus, just focus for the one time. There we go. So this is what it looks like. I like it. It's cute. I'm gonna test it out for you guys. So here we go. So we just basically turn it. Oh, it's actually really cute. I actually do like it. So let me see if I can, don't blur me out. That's the color. I believe this color is so cute. I don't do this type of color, but like I said, we're gonna do it today. We are going to do it today. We are going to get into it. That's what we're going to do. So it's different. It's giving different. That is everything of what's in the Influenster package. Be sure to check out Influenster. They do a fantastic job. I never had any complaints with them. I have not had anything so far. So please get into it, because at the end of the day, you live and you motherfucking learn. You gotta do what you gotta do. But yes, I hope you guys definitely enjoy, because at the end of the day, at the end of the motherfucking day, it's given. And I definitely need you guys to try it out. Definitely need you guys to basically ensure. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Comment on what more videos you want me to do. I'm doing more vlogs. There will be a vlog coming out Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. That's my schedule now. But also be sure to check out more of the videos that I have of my Influenster Vox boxes, so you guys can check those out. I also have chit chat videos, like I said, every single thing in the description box below. Check it out. Follow me on my Instagram and all my social medias and my TikToks. I'm going back to TikTok. But I definitely love you guys so much, and I would definitely see you right next door to when I get my face beat with the 3 products, because I really do want to try out the lip balm and also the tint, and definitely the mascara, because I really want to know if it's given and then do a really good review. But I love you guys so much. Stay safe, be blessed, and peace out.